my dear friends in Serbia. I'm coming over to your wonderful country to play a show on the 9th of November in Dom Omladin in Belgrade. And it's going to be a solo acoustic show, and I'll be playing some old songs and some new songs, and of course some Devin, some Gathering, and some Ariane, and some cover songs that I just love to play. And I hope to see you all there. See you soon. Bye.